There is no alarm because the cases we have got are cases that were detected from Arusha. There were tests being done there. So what happened when we detected the cases? They were transported in a separate bus back to the country, and they were taken straight for management and self-isolation. But none of them is showing serious illness. That's why they preferred self-isolation. Ministry of Health and our parliament team are handling the matter. It's also the reason why the clerk decided to have everybody tested to ensure that there is no further spread. But the ones who came from Arusha were not allowed to step in the parliament. That is the situation. So it's not alarming. Ministry of Health already put in measures to ensure that those coming do not become a source of infection for others. So, but what we came from Arusha were 38 confirmed. They were not showing serious illness. Ministry of Health stepped in and gave guidelines on how they should be in a self-isolation and manage it routinely by Ministry of Health and Parliament team.